This is our Squirrel Buster Bird Feeder. It is by far the best bird feeder we have ever owned. We will probably not need to ever buy a new one because of the way this is made. So the hanger is a triangular shaped hanger and it goes right over the shepherd's hook, and the way it's made, it hardly sways at all. It has a little bit of movement to it, any direction, but for the most part we can have a super windy day and this just holds on tight. It is a Squirrel Buster. We have a bevel up because we need it as well, but if a squirrel gets on top, it closes down, blocks the seed so the squirrel can't get it until the squirrel gets down, and then it releases up. The birds don't have any trouble landing on these and feeding. Let me show you how easy it is to fill. For filling it, this just lifts up. This has a little J hook on it. You slide it off. This whole piece lifts up. There's your tube. Then all you do, pour in your seed. It drops to the bottom. Slide this back on. This goes back on. If you need another good reason to grab one of these, my wife cleans this about once a month. It all comes apart. So she does it once it's emptied. She cleans it all up. We let it dry and put it right back. My final and favorite reason for choosing a Squirrel Buster is that they are warranted. If you ever have a problem with a piece breaking, call Squirrel Buster, email Squirrel Buster. They will take care of it. These are under warranty. Guys, I hope this helps you out when you're deciding what to get for a bird feeder.